Nikola Jokić, born February 19, 1995, is a Serbian professional basketball player who is a center for the Denver Nuggets of the National Basketball Association, NBA. Nicknamed Joker, he is widely regarded as one of the greatest players and centers of all time, and is often considered the greatest draft steal in NBA history. A seven-time NBA All-Star, Jokić has been named to the All-NBA team on 7 occasions, including 5 first-team selections, and won the NBA Most Valuable Player award for the 2020-21, 2021-22, and 2023-24 seasons. He represents the Serbian national team, with which he won a silver medal at the 2016 Summer Olympics and a bronze medal at the 2020 Summer Olympics. Jokić was selected by the Nuggets in the second round of the 2014 NBA Draft. He was voted to the NBA All-Rookie First Team in 2016 in the 2018-19 NBA season. While leading the Nuggets to the Western Conference semifinals, Jokić received his first All-Star and All-NBA First Team selections. The following season, he once again received All-Star and All-NBA honors, while leading his team to the Western Conference Finals. In the 2020-23 NBA season, Jokić was awarded NBA Finals MVP after leading the Nuggets to their first ever NBA championship. He ranks third all-time among NBA players with the most triple-doubles and holds the record for the fastest triple-double. He is the only NBA player ever to achieve a 30 points, 20 rebounds, and 20 assists game. Jokić was born in the city of Sombor in the northern part of Serbia. He grew up in a 2-bedroom apartment that housed him, his 2 brothers, parents, and grandmother. He attended primary school Dositej Obradović. His father was an agricultural engineer. Jokić developed a love of basketball early in his life, playing with his 2 older brothers, Strahinja and Nemanja, who were a decade older. Both brothers played basketball in Serbia, with Nemanja later playing college basketball for Detroit Mercy and CW Post, and for Scranton Wilkes-Barre Steamers in the Premier Basketball League. The brothers are friends with former NBA player Darko Milicic. Jokić also loved harness racing as a child and competed as an amateur, a passion he still holds today. Player profile: standing 6 feet 11 inches and weighing 284 pounds, Jokić plays exclusively at the center position. Through the 2020-25 season, his career averages are 21.8 points, 10.9 rebounds, and 7.2 assists per game in the regular season, and 27.4 points, 12.3 rebounds, and 7.6 assists per game in the playoffs. Jokić has been called the greatest passing big man in NBA history and has been described by some as the greatest passer of all time. As a playmaker, Jokić uses his size and field of view to set up his teammates for scores, often through a variety of no-looks and unique deliveries. His techniques, in particular his one-handed passes, have drawn comparisons to those of a water polo player. Playing at a slow and deliberate pace, Jokić often pauses upon receiving the ball to survey the floor for defensive mistakes and potential openings. His current and former teammates have stated that they always have to be ready to receive a pass because of how often Jokić passes at unusual angles, and that he has often hit unprepared players in the face with the ball during practice. In addition to his playmaking ability, Jokić is also a versatile scorer, capable of effectively finishing in the paint as well as hitting jump shots from mid-range and the three-point arc. During his first MVP season, Jokić shot .566 from the field and .388 from three-point range. His signature move, the Sombor Shuffle, coined by Nuggets play-by-play announcer Chris Marlowe after Jokic's hometown of Sombor, involves jumping off his right foot before launching a high-arching fadeaway. Jokić developed the move during his recovery from an ankle injury in 2017. The unorthodox move is difficult to contest and has drawn comparisons to Dirk Nowitzki's one-legged fadeaway. Citing his game IQ and offensive creativity, many commentators have described Jokić as a basketball genius. Jokic's ability to garner statistical dominance in multiple categories has led many people to place him among all-time greats, including Hall of Famers Kevin Garnett and Paul Pierce, who equated him to Wilt Chamberlain. Jokić was praised for becoming an elite NBA defender despite his significant athletic limitations. Jokić, who recorded the worst vertical jump among more than 1,000 NBA players tested in the P3 Applied Sports Science Laboratory, finished first in the defensive plus-minus box for 3 consecutive seasons. Personal life. During Jokic's early years in Denver, he lived in a shared apartment with his then-girlfriend and his 2 older brothers. Jokić married his longtime girlfriend Nikola on October 24, 2020, in his hometown of Sombor. Nikola and Nikola have 2 children together, daughter Ognjena, who was born in September 2021, and son Ignjit, who was born in November 2024. Besides his native Serbian, he also speaks English fluently. He believes it is important to teach his children the Serbian language as they live and attend school in the U.S. Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 vlogs.